How to activate your DPED Microsoft 365 account. Here's a simple steps on how to activate your DPED Microsoft 365 account. Open your browser. Click on the 9 dots, the Google Apps. Then click on your email account. Look for the email sent to you from DPED. Then click on this email. As a valued member of the Department of Education, we are excited to provide you with access to a comprehensive suite of productivity tools and services that will help you work more efficiently and effectively. With Microsoft 365, you'll have access to tools like Outlook for receiving and sending emails and managing your calendar, OneDrive for storing, sharing, and working together on files, Teams for video meetings, instant messaging, and real-time collaboration. All in one location. Word for making and editing documents, Excel for creating and modifying spreadsheets, and PowerPoint for producing and editing presentations. To activate your account and start taking advantage of the many features of Microsoft 365, simply go to https://portal.office.com and log in using the credentials below. Username and temporary password were sent to you to activate your Microsoft 365. Sign into Microsoft using your DPED account and the temporary password. Then type in or copy-paste the temporary password from the same email. Type in your new or permanent password. Confirm your permanent password. To make sure you can reset your password, you need to set up one of these three options. I choose authentication email. Type in the email account. Don't use your work or school email address because you won't have an access to it if you forget your password. Use your personal email instead. A verification code will be sent to your authentication email. Open your authentication email account. Type in or copy-paste the verification code. Then click Finish. You are successfully activate your Microsoft 365 account.